Hey, it's Linda, and today we're going to be showing you 3 things we love about the Bosch Series 6 dishwasher. You can control it with your phone using the Home Connect app. It saves you from hand drying with Efficient Dry, and it makes sure everything comes out sparkling with its extra clean zone. I'm going to head over to the lab now to show you it in a bit more detail. You can manage your dishes using your phone. So let's say, for example, you're not at home or you just can't be bothered to press pause on whatever you're watching to get up off the sofa. Well, you can just use Bosch's Home Connect app. It makes things so much easier as you're able to adjust settings. It also suggests the best cycle for each load, and it lets you add your favorite programs to its quick selection options. There's just so much hassle that's taken away when it comes to washing your dishes. Efficient Dry makes sure your dishes are properly dry and not too hot when it's time to unload, just by automatically opening the door at the end of the program. That way, they come out ready to be put away, and it helps save energy too. Even stubborn and stuck-on foods get blasted away in the extra clean zone. The 3 extra nozzles in the zone delivers extra soaking and makes sure items come out sparkling without the need for extra detergent or higher temperatures. To find out more about this Bosch dishwasher, visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.